Yak Back Pack.
Welcome to Yak Back. Look at this blue paper. Look at cup. This is a cup. Let's find the cup inside the blue paper pulp. Let's search for a cup. Oh, I found a car. That's not a cup. Let's find a cup. Oh, I found a cup. A cup matches the cup. Cup. I found cup. I found a cup, like my picture of a cup. Cup. This is a picture of a rock. Let's find a rock together. This is a cat. It's not a rock. Put it back. Let's find a rock. This is a snake. It's not a rock. Let's put it back. I found a rock. It matches my picture of a rock. This is a shark. Let's see if we can find a shark together. A shark. Let's look for a shark. This is a snake. Let's look again. This is a key. Put it back. Not the same. Put the key back. This is a shark. It matches the picture of a shark. Good job. A shark and a shark. This is a car. Let's find a car. Let's look for a car. We found a car. They match, a car and a car. Good job. This is a snake. And this is a snake. We found the snake. Good job. Let's look some more. This is a key. Let's look for the key. We found the key. A key and a key. Good job. This is a sock. Let's look for a sock. What is this? It is a sock. We found a sock. It matches our picture of a sock. A sock and a sock. Good job. This is a cat. Let's look for a cat. Look. We found a cat. A cat and a cat. A cat toy and a cat picture. A cat card. Good job. Bye-bye.
Yak Back Pack.